Hi everybody, Lori here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you the reveal of the limited edition holiday 2018 card kit, and it's called Comfort and Joy. I'm going to walk you through the contents of the kit, starting with this large stamp set that's called Comfort and Joy. And this set has some great traditional, classic holiday imagery, some sprigs of pine leaves, a great assortment of snowflakes. There's some bold as well as some smaller sentiments. Lots you can do with that. Also included in the kit is a full-size clear embossing ink pad by Simon Says Stamp, as well as a full-size container of antique gold embossing powder. Now, I went ahead and embossed that large snowflake using some of that antique gold embossing powder on Schoolhouse red cardstock, and look at how luxurious that is for the holidays. Next up, we have a background cling called Poinsettia Background. It's beautifully hypnotic, and lots of things you could do with this. If you want to emboss it, be beautiful embossed with that antique gold or white. You could even emboss it in clear and do like an emboss resist. Next up, we have a package of Tim Holtz Ideology Christmas ephemera. I'm going to take these out of the package and kind of show you a few of them. There's quite a bit in here, but they have that classic Tim Holtz vintage feel. And there's a lot you can do with these. I mean, you could punch a hole in that and it can make a tag right there. It'd be really cute. They're great for making quick cards. I'm in love with this sheet music right here, Joy to the World. How cute would this sheet music be with that wreath layered over top? I think I'm going to do that. A quick and easy vintage Christmas card. So moving right along, we have some Darice Sparkle Gold tape. And this is really fun, and it's surprisingly very smooth for it being sparkly gold tape. This would be so pretty to use on the back of your Christmas card envelopes or maybe some small gift wrapping. Next up, we have 3 bottles of Ranger's Stickles. You get 3 different colors, and they are called Joyful, Festive, and Tidings. I did swatch out the 3 different colors. It's kind of hard to see, but it is red, gold, and emerald green, and they have little flecks of like glitter inside of them. Very festive for the holidays. Next up is one of these adorable little Tim Holtz Ideology salvaged Santas. And you have to check out Tim Holtz's video where he shows how these look when you alter them and paint them with distress paints. They look incredible. You're also going to get 1 yard of May Arts green ribbon. And this is like a beautiful hunter green organdy ribbon. Moving right along, we have some Echo Park double-sided pattern paper from their Celebrate Christmas collection. So these are 6x6. They're double-sided. You get 1 sheet of each pattern, and there's a mixture of some vintage inspired, some bold, some modern, some smaller patterns, larger patterns, but there was one specifically that I really wanted to show you, and it was this one, because it is identical to this Poinsettia Background cling stamp. Isn't that fun? So you could make your own pattern paper with the background cling stamp. And then these are fun too. I always like to clip these out and make them tags, put them on cards. These bold plaid patterns are killing me. So there's an assortment of tags in this kit. You'll get 2 large craft tags, 2 large white tags, and 2 medium white tags, as well as an assortment of envelopes. So you're going to get a small red gift card envelope, a small white gift card envelope, and a small clear gift card envelope. Also 2 4-bar craft envelopes. You'll get 1 Schoolhouse red envelope, 1 metallic green leaf envelope, and 1 ivory envelope. Lastly, we have 4 sheets of solid color cardstock. So we have Schoolhouse red, green leaf, ivory, and lastly, Nina Desert Storm. Before we go, I wanted to share with you just a couple of projects that I've created from the contents of the kit. For this card, I used that gorgeous poinsettia background cling and the snowflake from the Comfort and Joy stamp set. And for this next card, I simply layered a few of the Tim Holtz Ideology Christmas ephemera onto that Echo Park plaid pattern paper. I do want to mention this is a limited edition card kit, so when it sells out, it's gone, but several of the contents can be purchased individually. I hope you enjoyed this reveal. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.